Hey folks, partly sunny skies across the valley today. A quiet day across the region. Still those two flood warnings in effect. Look to the north. Strong thunderstorms moving through the San Antonio area right now, coming down from the north. There's actually a cool front sitting right there. We don't think the front's going to get here. It's going to die right about there, but some of the models bring a couple of leftover thunder showers in here late tomorrow. They should die, but we'll watch them just in case. But again, our flood warning is still in effect until at least 7 o'clock tonight for areas that still have water standing, as you've been seeing in the stories during the newscast. Now, Future Track again tonight is quiet, mainly clear skies, and most of the day tomorrow, partly cloudy and mainly dry. But if you watch right at the end of this, some stuff shows up in the northwestern corner of the valley. Air's pretty dry around the valley right now. We don't see a big chance of this, but we're going to watch tomorrow just in case some showers and thunder showers work their way in from the northwest, coming down from that front that's up north. Front doesn't get here, but sometimes stuff can kind of rumble on down ahead of it, so we'll have to watch that. Andrew will be here watching that for you. In the meantime, tomorrow about a 20% chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Sunday, slight chance as well, and then Monday we're down to about a 10% probability. Here are the temperatures. We're getting closer to what it's supposed to be this time of year. It's supposed to be hot in July and in August, and well, today it was getting pretty close. 92 Westlake, 93 McAllen, 99 at this hour in Rio Grande City. Here are your highs tomorrow, back in the mid-90s again, except at the beach, about 87 at South Padre. 97 is the normal, and we're not going to get there, but we'll be at least closer to that with mid-90s, and the records are up over 100. Not going to get anywhere close to that. The weekend as a whole, about a 20% chance for a shower storm each day. High temperatures both days, about 95 degrees. You see things are relatively quiet in the big picture, but again, there's that front stalled to the north of us. Hadn't stalled yet, but it will, and as it does, that's where most of the rain should stay. So we just see partly cloudy skies here with just that slight chance for a shower or a thunder shower. Off the East Coast, we are of course keeping an eye on Hurricane Isaias. That's right now in the central Bahamas, about 195 miles to the southeast of Nassau, and moving off to the west-northwest. Likely kind of sideswiping the northwesternmost Bahamas tomorrow with 85-mile-per-hour winds, but from Miami to Fort Pierce to Daytona Beach, all the way up to Jacksonville, everybody's waiting. A big hurricane warning in effect for a big part of that beach for Sunday, and then the storm's expected to take a turn to the northeast, but the window pretty large if you're along this path. New York and Boston both in the window of that storm. Here's what's going to curve at the turn of the big trough in the middle part of the country. The Bermuda highs out there. Basically, you get stuck between the two and carried off to the north. No threat to moving into the Gulf of Mexico, at least not our part of the Gulf of Mexico. So tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, warm, humid, 78, south to southeast winds. Tomorrow back to 95. Can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm. Chances are small on a valley-wide basis, but a couple of places may pick something up. Here's your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days, and we keep it hot in the 90s all the way through, but still below average. Lows in the 70s with that slight chance for a shower or storm, especially tomorrow and Sunday. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.